it's Lynette here. Thank you so much for watching. I got a friend mail. I'm so delighted. I've taken the lid off and I'll go through it one by one. And I just want to say this came from Briony, who has the amazing channel Being Briony. And she messaged me the other day there and she was like, oh, I've got something ready to send out to you. And it arrived and I've had a sneak peek, but I'm so excited. So I thought I'm just going to show you and go through the items one to one. But oh, there's some amazing things in here. I was so excited, honestly. It's like Christmas. I love getting friend mails, honestly. I love them. I actually love sending them as well. So it's really nice just to kind of give back as well. So I do have one planned to go back to Briony, but hers I find a bit more difficult because what can you buy somebody who's got everything, kind of makeup, skincare? So I didn't want to kind of add to that. So hers is going to be a wee bit different to the normal kind of friend mail. So I'm going to go through it one by one and I'm going to show you what I've got. And if you don't already follow Briony, it would be amazing if you could pop over. I'll pop her channel details in the description box. If you could pop on over and subscribe to her channel, that would mean the world to me. Thank you. So the first item is I Heart Revolution Frosted Cupcake. Now, Briony and I have set up a Facebook page for Revolution, and we've also got an Instagram page. Instagram's slightly different. You can't run it as a team page, I don't think. So Briony is kind of dealing with that fantastically well. And she's been doing lots on there. So if you're doing anything with Revolution, tag us in it. And also come over to Facebook and share your Revolution videos as well. And there's loads of people that are on there that love Revolution and love watching the videos and actually hearing a bit about your products as well. So this is the I Heart Revolution Sprinkles. So it's a blush and highlight palette. It's absolutely gorgeous. I can see what they've called it, sprinkles. Oh wow. There's one that's almost kind of rose gold. I was not expecting those colours. I hope you can see it because the light is pretty crappy here, but the colours are amazing. Yeah, it's pretty dull. It's been dull all day. There's also a hyaluronic acid 2% serum, which is from Pure. I love hyaluronic acid serums. And you shake to activate. It's by Skin Chemist, which is a fantastic brand. So I can't wait to use that. There is also number 7 Revitalizing Peel Off Mask. And it's brightening action, suitable for sensitive skin, so I can't wait to try that one. I've not used a peeling mask for a while. I might actually do a video with it. And there's another palette here, Revolution Pro. The Pro range is amazing. 4K blush palette, mauve. Oh wow, look at these colours. They're absolutely beautiful. So I will swatch them for you. And can I just say, she hasn't even put her fingers in these. She hasn't even swatched these. Wow. Oh, I'm so excited. I've not bought kind of like things like this for a wee while, but aren't those blushers gorgeous? I can't wait to actually try them. And a little highlight and blush. Oh, feels like Christmas, honestly, it does. Right, okay, this is fantastic. So there's something in the Avant products that Briony cannot use on her skin. So she's always really kind enough to pop these in the parcels for me, the Avant products. So this is Pink Orchid Hyaluronic Glycerin White Peony, and it's an overnight serum. I cannot wait to try that. I love the Avant products, and when you look at the prices, they're crazy. They really are. And this is the Hyaluronic Vitamin C Supreme Hyaluronic Acid Antioxidizing Duo Moisturizer. And a little of this product does actually go a long way. And there is another one here, and it's Pro Radiance Brightening Eye Final Touch. And there we go. I love the packaging as well. So there's another thing I can see here, the brand that I love, and it's Filorga, and it's Supreme Multi Correction Cream Laboratories Filorga. This stuff is so expensive, and whenever I see it, you know, in the like kind of Feel Unique beauty kit, I will pick that up. So I'm delighted to have that in there. There is a bath bomb. It's got petals. Oh, it's cherry. I love cherry. Oh, so there's that. It's got little petals in there that must come out when you run the bath. and there's a couple of Lacura ones here. Avocado Moisturizing Facial Sheet and Watermelon. These are absolutely gorgeous, the Lacura products. A lot of them are dupes for the other, oh, here we go. These are the ones that are dupes for the Garnier. It's the Lacura Pomegranate Extract. There you go, so that is a dupe for the Garnier and it's absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, from Aldi, but they really are fantastic. And I can tell there's lots of serum in this. There's also, I love masks. There's also a Primark Care Skin Shot Refreshing Face Mask, Spearmint, Green Apple and Pineapple, and it's called Minted. There we go. Sounds like something you could quite happily drink that, couldn't you? There is also a Charles Worthington Hair Healer Leave-In Conditioner, and I love leave-in conditioners. I use those all the time. And Charles Worthington is a fantastic brand. There's another Avant here. It is a face and eye night cream. What's in the different kind of packaging? It's black and white. So I'm looking forward to trying that. Shea butter, hyaluronic, sweet almond, vitamin B3. So a really good variety in this box as well. There's also the Brazilian Bod Buff by Sol Janeiro. There we go. I love that stuff. I've tried this before. I love the smell of this brand as well. And there is one of my all-time favourite products. It is Lumine and it is the Invisible Instant Glow Fresh Skin Tint. Now, I looked this up because I was going to buy it. So this is 15 mils, but I looked up the price of 15 mils and it's £15. So I went on John Lewis' website and they sell 30 mils for £30. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to just pick this up wherever I see it. And I think I've completely forgotten about it. I've not got from Feel Unique for ages. So I am delighted to see that. It is one of the best. It's almost like a BB cream. You put it on and it's so subtle as well. So I love it. But yeah, I did actually look to buy it and I thought, not at that price. Now here is Burt's Bee Cucumber Mint Moisturizing Lip Balm. That sounds really nice, doesn't it? There we go. I do like Burt's Bees. And what else have we got here? Oh, Pixie by Petra. That's a fantastic brand. Oh, Winter Flush. Oh, Beauty Blush Duo. Oh, that is really unusual, isn't it? So the two blushes. I'm going to just do this. So you can either swipe across or you can kind of just like swipe down on one. So that's really subtle. That's lovely. And it's kind of almost like a highlighting blush as well. So it's Winter Flush, so it would give you that nice glow. Love trying products like that. And there is a Pro Revolution lipstick here. Now she did ask me, she did say, what kind of lipstick do you like? And I said, oh, I'm not like into reds or anything. I like rose and nude type lipsticks. I've tried red, but I get funny looks from the husband. He looks at me like, what are you doing? So like I get like, what are you doing, what are you up to? Usually get that when I've been doing a makeup look. I'll come downstairs and I'll be like, where are you going? You see when I did the blue one ages ago, his face was a picture. So there we go. There's actually loads of product in this. That's the colour there. I'm going to pop it on the back of my hand. Oh, that's really nice, isn't it? I wasn't expecting it to be bright like that. Oh, that is different. I'll definitely need to try that on and let you see it on. There we go. There's hundreds. The Secret Weapon Serum by Kate Mciver. I love serums. Serums, eye creams and toners are things that I'm always running out of. Now, I had some, not this one, but Bubble Tea Grape, and it was, you popped it in your bath, it was like little granules, like bath salts, and it's just run out. But this is the bath pearls. Remember you used to get them from the Body Shop? I'm going to open the packet, see if I can smell them. Probably not going to be able to smell them. Not through the plastic anyway, but look. So you pop these in your bath and they melt away. are the bath pearls, are the oily ones. It says put 1 or 2 in your bath. Yeah, melting oil pearls, grape tea. Gorgeous oil pearls release a beautiful fragrance, enhancing your senses. But I love that packaging. It's so cute. I'll be in the bath tonight with my oil and my face masks. There we go. Because I have all year, I've just used up things that I have in my collection. I've tried not to use anything new. So it's quite nice having new things in and being like, right, I've used up everything in that collection, so I can try this. The Apica Paris blush. Oh, Pauline, it's a cream blush. Now, I don't know how well I get on with cream products, but I will definitely give it a bash. I think the secret is just kind of blending, isn't it? So that's what it looks there. So you just blend it in. There we go. Gosh, that was a tiny amount, and look how far it's gone. And there's the BB Golden Glow by Marcel. That stuff's gorgeous. I've had a couple of these before and it's really nice. Briony's really fair, so it's probably too dark for her. So there you go. Rub it in, and the BB cream, I don't think you need to worry so much about like tide lines and stuff. So it's going on really nice. There's another Avant product here, and it's collagen eye formula. So it says hyaluronic collagen, glycolic age restore. I definitely need that. So looking forward to trying that. There is also, what's this here? Oh, it's potent eye cream from Benefit. I didn't even know they did eye cream. So I'm looking forward to trying that. I'm not popping my fingers in it though just now, but oh, that's gorgeous. It actually would look so pretty kind of like on your makeup table or on your dressing table or whatever, wouldn't it? Loads of skincare and makeup. It's a fantastic mix, Briony. And there is also a Vitamask Super Green Detox Facial. So it's a 3-step oxygenating clay facial scrub. Then there's the mask, which is the Super Green Sheet Mask. And then there is the antioxidant seaweed moisturizer. So I really like masks that are different, and that definitely is different. And last but not least, I know what I'm going to wear. I do have one Christmas party this year, and I'm going to be wearing this nail polish. It is absolutely stunning. It's from Next, and it says hard wearing pearl effect anaconda, and I've got this on, so it's really dark, so I don't know if you'll see it if I pop it on. But I love the colour. Absolutely love the colour, and it's pearlescent as well. It goes so well over the it actually goes really well over the navy that I've got on. I just popped over the navy there. I don't know if you can't probably see that. So I'm not even going to do a recap because there's hundreds. There's nail polishes, there's lipsticks, there's eye creams, there's moisturisers, there's face masks, there's serums, there's bath bombs, there's skin tints, there's blushers. So thank you so much, Briony. This is so kind of exciting. It's really made my day, and there's lots of products I can't wait to actually try. I'll probably be kind of digging into them tonight and giving them a try. So yeah, I just want to say a massive thank you to Briony as well. And if you don't subscribe to our channel, please can you go over and say kind of Lynette saying, yeah, I think we're all kind of on this channel, we're all fans of Briony, but if you're not, then please pop over and say hello. I've absolutely loved this. It's been really kind of super exciting to go through all the different products, and it's a really good combination. So thank you so much. I've loved it. Speak to you soon, guys. Bye bye.